即係將一個立體將佢用攤翻平一圖，咁佢就話啦 ，OK, the question is asking you about which picture can fold into a cuboid. That means which one can make a shape like this. Okay, so actually we can look at the diagram one by one. For this one, it's not possible because there are missing top here. Okay, and also this one is useless. Okay, so this one is not the answer. For this one is also not possible because if you throw this 1, 2, 3, 4 sides together, then it will be a square base with the top and bottom cannot cover the whole square. Okay, I hope you can understand what I'm drawing in the screen on the screen. So it's also not correct. And also this one, if you throw this one into the keyboard, if you try to do it, then the shape will like okay, it's very difficult. Maybe the problem is this side. Okay, because this side should be the long side. Okay, in order to cover the overall length. So this one is also not correct. So the correct answer is this one. So actually it's rely on your sense in the 3D shape. But I think you should have this sense because of your design student. I think this sense is also very important for a design student. So try your best to understand. OK， 從你嘅能力去理解到底呢4個邊一個先能夠接到一個長方體出嚟啊！佢哋作為一個 design 學生應該要有呢個 sense 嘅啊，好冇？So the next one is similar. So maybe I give you 1 minute to think about it. Okay, up to now, any questions? Anyone cannot find out the answer? If you cannot find out the answer, then I will move for the more important topic. I will start with 4.1.4. That is the properties of the triangle. Okay, so actually we have some triangle here. So we can look at the triangle one by one. First I write down is the 4.1.4. Okay, you can follow me to do the exercise. And then we have 5 triangles here, and each triangle we have different characteristics. So the first one, this one is the isosceles. Okay, in Chinese that is 等腰. Okay, what is the isosceles? That means this side and this side, the length are equal. Okay, if the 2 cm side is the base and here is the 6 cm side, then the another side should also be 6 cm. Okay, this is the characteristics of the isosceles triangle. Okay. So the second triangle is the equilateral triangle. In Chinese, that is 等边三角形. Okay, that means the length of all sides should be equal. Here is 6 cm, here is 6 cm, here is also 6 cm. Also, there are another characteristic, that is the angle for each corner should be equal, and each angle should be 60 degrees. Okay, should be 60 degrees. Okay, for each angle. Okay. So the third one is the right isosceles triangle. Okay, that means this side and this side are equal. So the angle for this one and this one is 45 degrees. Okay, because remember the triangle in a triangle sum is 180 degrees. The meaning is this angle plus this angle plus this angle. I assume this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. A plus C plus B will be equal to 180. Okay, so for this one, if 3 angles inside the triangle are same, so I assume this one is A plus A is 180. So A will be equal to 60. For this one, this is the right angle. What is the right angle? Right angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degrees, and then for the characteristics for the isosceles triangle, the 2 remaining angles are same. So 90 degrees plus S will be equal to 180. S will be 45 degrees. So in this one similar, if this is 23 degrees, this one is also 23 degrees. Okay, all 2 angles are same. Okay, the 2 angles here are same. Okay. So the last one should be the most difficult one. Okay, so now you know the perimeter of the triangle is 80 cm. Okay, so what is the possible side length for this triangle? You can see this one, and this one means all 3 sides are not equal. Okay, so for similarly, if we have this side and this side, mean this side and this side are equal. Okay, so I assume all the sides are integer, are 整數. So what is the possible combination of the 80 cm with 3 integer? Maybe 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, this one is 5, this one is 6, this one is 7. Okay, so actually it's not possible with a triangle with side of 1 plus 2 plus 6 15. Okay, why? Do you know why? If this side is 50 cm, this side is 1 cm, this side is 2 cm, you cannot connect this bond together. So actually, another characteristic for the triangle is the sum of the two shortest sides should be larger than the longer sides. OK， 最短嗰兩條邊加埋係要長過最長嗰條邊嘅。OK， understand the characteristics of the properties of the triangle, right? So, here we have H triangle. Which one is not possible and which one is the 等腰, which one is 等邊, which one is this one? Okay, so for this one is a not possible triangle because 2.5 plus 1.5 smaller than 6.5. It's not possible to form the triangle with the dimension shown in here. So this one is the possible triangle, and you can see the three sides are equal. So here it should be E. And then this one is also the possible triangle and with the two sides equal. So I write an I here. So it's not possible. Maybe I give you some time to work on another 4。另外嗰4個你可以再做嘅。就睇下邊啲三角形係冇可能出現啦，邊啲係等邊啦，邊啲係等腰啦，你寫邊啲只不過係一個普通三角形嘅啫。OK。Okay, up to now, any questions? If you have no more questions, then I will move on to 4.1.5. Okay, it's about the line, eyes, and contralateral. Okay, who is the contralateral? In Chinese, contralateral, that is 四邊形. Okay, a shape have 4 sides. Okay, that is contralateral. So here you can see there is a description. The straight has 4 equal sides and equal length diagonals. Then the straight should be square because the square should have 4 equal sides. Okay, understand? So it's very simple. And then for the second one, we have to complete the contralateral. So actually we have point A, point B, point C. If the ABCD, the straight ABCD is a sharp portion, but not a rectangle. So what would be the coordinate 這個坐標 of point D. Okay, what is the coordinate? For example, for coordinate A, it is 2 and 2 because x is 2, y is 2 here. So for point B, the coordinate is 6 and 2. Okay, the first number means the x value. The second number means the y value. Okay? So if the shape is trapezium, so what is the coordinate of D? So the coordinate of D, actually we have two possible answers. First, D can be this point or can be this point. Maybe I use the point 2 and 10. Okay. So, any questions? If for the right hand side, if A, B, C, D is the rhombus, that is 菱形 in Chinese. Okay, so what is the coordinates for point D? If you remember, the characteristics of the rivers is so you can see that the upper one and lower one should be equal. So here similar, if we want to have a equal triangle in the upper part, so I think the point should be like this, right? So point D should be here. So the coordinate would be 9 and 10. Okay. So here we have another question. Do the diagonal cross at right angle? What is diagonal? 對角線 okay. So here diagonal cannot cross a right angle 90 度. So here is no, but here is yes because the diagonal here can cross a right angle. Okay.
好有难没？我我 humans
So maybe you have to think about any more questions.
Yes, ma.
So if you have no more questions, then I will move on to the 4.1.6 is the concept about the angle. I have to use the view page of the My IMAX, so you wait for a moment. Okay, so I open the My IMAX first. Animation. Okay, now you can look at the screen. Actually, the question for the question 1 is asking you to measure the angle. Okay, measure the different angle. So how can you work on it? So First, you have to move the protractor. In Chinese, is the protractor on the angle. Okay, so here is the 0 degree. Okay, here is the 0 degree, and then you move the protractor here. So each scale, this small scale means 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree. So one big scale means 10 degree. So you can count 1 big scale, 2 scale, 3 big scale, 4 big scale, 5 big scale. So at least the angle has 50 degree. So you count 1 more small scale, 2 more small scale, 3, 4. So the answer here should be 54. So this one and this one is also similar, but how about this one? Actually, if you have a real protractor, you can rotate the protractor, make the 0 degree on the first line, and then similarly you can count the scale, 1 big scale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 big scale with 2 small scale. So the answer is 52. Okay. Oh, so yeah. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why the answer is not correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe I refresh the page. Try it again. So this one. Oh, I know the reason, because I mark it wrongly. So the 0 should be here. And actually, when you click on the scale, you can see the number here. So be careful, don't make the same mistake same as me. Okay. So it's quite simple, and then I think you can use the same way to obtain the answer for this one, and this one. And then for the last one, for the arrow, actually, how can you work on the arrow? First, you can make the protractor here. So here is 180 degree, here is 110 degrees. So actually, the internal angle should be 180 minus 110, then is 70 degree, and then the external angle, outside angle, that is the angle with the color one, it should be 360 minus 70, that is 290. Okay. So up to now, any problem? Do I need to repeat again? Since here, maybe I repeat again. Since here, if I put the protractor here, so you will see here is 180 degree. Here is 110 degree. So this angle will be equal to 180 minus 110. So should be 70 degree. So as one circle has 360 degree, so this one should be 360 minus 70. So if you have no more question, then I will move on to this one, balance. Okay, balance in Chinese is 方位角. Okay, so before I move on to the balance, let me check if any special knowledge that I have to deliver to you.
Mom, what is the you? Oh.
So maybe I think it's better to deliver the knowledge by the exercise. So this one. So now the question is asking you to find out the balance of B from A in each diagram. Your answer should be V figure. So how can you do it? Every time if the question is asking you to find out the balance of B from A, so you have to put difference, this one, the projector on the point A. Okay? So this line is 0 degree, and then count from the 0 degree in the clockwise direction, 順時針方向. Then count the degree. For example, this is the 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, and you can see here is about 42 degree. So I type 42 here. For example, this one, I move the projector here. Also, I move the projector on A. So starting from this point, this line is 0 degree. Okay, maybe the 12 o'clock direction in Chinese 12點鐘方向係0度. And then if we rotate in clockwise direction, and then 10 degree will be 10 degree, 180 degree, that is 6 o'clock direction. Okay, 9 o'clock direction will reach 207 degree, and you can see here is 346 degree. So the remaining 3 problems, you can use the similar way to complete the problem. And I also make a mistake that is here. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have to open the exercise again here. So remember, for the band, okay, be careful. The answer should be 3 digits. For example, if the answer is 42, then you have to write down 042. Okay, you have to use 042 as the answer. Okay, don't just write down 42. The answer should be 042. Be careful. Okay. So the second one is also similar. If we want to find the band of B from A, okay, you can put the projector here. So the band of B from A will be 1145. Okay, so the C and D you can use the similar way to get the answer. Maybe I give you some time, maybe 2 minutes to do it. So if you have no more questions, then I will use the 5 more minutes to complete the 4.1.8. Okay.